y'all. So I wanted to make a little quick video to explain the actual knotting situation and hand-tied situation on Forever Chic, because I kind of made a mistake in my video and it was pointed out by a viewer, and I think he has a very valid point in that I didn't completely explain things. So this is a different technique that we're only seeing on, that I've only seen on these Gabor wigs, and it's only been recently. So we're looking at the top. I've just got Forever Chic here on a mannequin head. So we're looking at the top. So it's not technically a full mono top. It is a full hand-tied top. And the technique that they use is called cluster knotting. So you can see these knots here, and there's more than one hair. It's a cluster of hairs that they tie together is my understanding of it. And then if we move back here, this is the hand-tied portion of the cap, and you can see that the knots are still that same hand-tied, but they are further apart. Let me see if I can get a better view of that. Sorry, I'm doing this. So see, those are further apart. That's the hand-tied portion. And then we go up to the actual top. So then they put that netting on the other side, and I'll flip it over and show that to you more closely in just a moment. But you can see where we come off the hand-tied area here. But this is cluster knotted, and then they did give in the description that it has the netting on the inside. For one thing, that's because those cluster knots are underneath there, and it protects those knots, I suppose. And then it also, that netting is more comfortable on your head. So let me flip the wig around, and we'll look at the inside. Here's your lace front portion. This is hand-tied, you know, just like a normal lace front would be, extended down onto your ear tabs. And then this is that netted part. So again, if we get up close, we can see those cluster knots, see them? And so they put this layer of netting in between those knots in your scalp. And then this is that hand-tied portion. And when we look close at this hand-tied portion, we can see the distance that these knots, these clusters of knots are from each other. So you can just see where they're sewn, you know, where they're tied in there. They're not sewn. And then again, you can see they're closer together here on the top, but they are cluster knotted. This is not technically the same thing as a full monofilament top. So I hope that that corrects that and adds to understanding of this particular cap construction from Gabor on Forever Chic. Thanks, y'all.